So the next question, students, the area of region bounded by the curve 2x square plus y square is 2. The area of the region bounded by the curve is what? The option A is pi square units. Option B is pi by 2 units. Option C is root 2 pi square units. And option D is 2 pi square units. So let me try to rewrite this equation into the standard form, that is 2x square by 2 means divide the whole equation by 2, that is y square by 2, which is 2 by 2. So on solving this, 2 and 2 got cancelled, it is left with x square plus y square by 2 is equals to 1. Comparing this with the standard equation of the form, that is x by x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. So where here a square is equals to 1, a square is equals to 1, which implies a is equals to root of 1, which is equals to 1. So similarly, b square is 2, and which implies b is equals to root 2. Okay, so now the area formula a is equals to pi of a into b. So we know that pi of a is what here? It is 1. Pi of 1 into b is root 2. So therefore the area is root 2 pi square units. Root 2 into 1, root 2 into pi, root 2 pi square units. Okay, so root 2 pi square units is option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. So we'll go to the next question. So next question, question number 15, that is the area of the region bounded by the curve y is equals to mod x, where x is less than or equal to 5 in the first quadrant is what? So it is clearly mentioned at that is y is equals to mod x, y is equals to mod of x. So, and the condition is x is greater than or equal to 0 in the first quadrant, which simplifies y is equals to x. Then the curve, when it is in the origin, see region bounded by when y is equals to x, x axis and y axis, where x is equals to, it is 5, because here the condition is mentioned that x is less than or equal to, means equal to also 5, and x is less than or also 5, means we'll take the first condition, which is equals to 5, which means that x is equals to 5 in the sense y is equal to x, which means that at x is equals to 5, at x is equals to 5, y is also equal to 5, which can be written in the coordinate form, that is 5 into 5. So area of the triangle, which is half base into altitude, which is given by half pi and 5. So it is 25 by 2 square units. So which is option B is the correct answer. Okay, you go to the next question. You go to the next question now. Question number 16. So all of you just try to solve this in 1 minute. The area bounded by the curve y is equals to f of x. The x-axis and x is equals to 1 and x is equals to b is b minus 1 sine of 3b plus 4. Then f of x is what? So it is of the standard form. We can take a of b because area bounded by the curve where y is equals to f of x, then vertical axis is equals to x is equals to a and x is equals to b is given by the definite integral. So a of b is equals to from a integration from a to b f of x and dx. So here e b minus 1 sine of 3b plus 4. Therefore, next it is integration of 1 to b. 1 to b, that is f of x dx is b minus 1 into bracket sine of 3b plus 4. Sine of 3b plus 4. So using the fundamental integration, that is f of b is equals to d of db my into bracket b minus 1 into sine of 3b plus 4. Sine of 3b plus 4. So which is in the form of, just take this as a note, that is d of db which of uv, because we'll use the uv rule where u dash into v plus v into u dash. So u is equals to what? U is equals to v minus 1, which implies u dash is equals to 1. So f of b. So f of b is 1 into 3b plus 4 into d by db of 3b plus 4, which is equals to 3 cos of 3b plus 4. Now, using the chain rule, f of b is equals to 1 into sine of 3b plus 4 plus b minus 1 into bracket 3 into cos of 3b plus 4. So here f of b is equals to sine of 3b plus 4 f of b of 3b plus 4 plus 3 into, can take the common, that is b minus 1 into cos of 3b plus 4. 3b plus 4. So here, replace b with x here. Wherever the b is there, replace b by x. Replacing b by x, f of b. F of b is replaced by x. F of b is replaced by x is equals to sine of 3x plus 4 plus 3 into x minus 1 into cos of 3b plus 4 is there. You can write it b as x, so 3x plus 4. So option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Sine of 3x plus 4 plus 3 into x minus 1 into cos of 3x plus 4. Option C is the correct answer. Go to the next question. Next question is this one. That is, the area of region bounded by the curve y is equals to sin x between x is equals to 0 and x is equals to pi by 2 is what? Let's try to give the answer for this. So try to solve this, students. Just 10 to 15 seconds. So because of integral of sin x is what? It is minus cos x. So now try to solve this. It is. Here goes the solution. Integration of a from 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx. So sin x, integration of sin x is minus cos x. So it is a of a is equals to minus cos x pi by 2 to 0. So applying the upper limit and lower limit, a is equals to minus cos of x is pi by 2 minus of minus cos of lower limit is 0, that is cos of 0. So here it is pi by 2, it is 90. So minus cos of 90 plus cos 0 plus cos 0. So here it is a is equals to cos 90 is again 0 and minus of minus 1 is plus 1, that is cos 0 is 1. So a is equals to 1. So area is equals to 1 square unit, where option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. The area of the region bounded by the lines y is equals to mod of x minus 2, x is equals to 10, x is equals to 3, and x-axis is what? Where x is equals to 10 and x is equals to 3. And the x-axis is 2 square units, 3 square units, and 4 square units, and 1 square unit. Try to solve this. Okay, we try to solve this. So it is condition is given that y is equals to mod of x minus 2, mod of x minus 2, where x is 10 and x is 3. So try to solve with the integration method, integral methods. So a is equals to integration of, take x value as limit of the integration, that is 3 to 10, and it is x minus 2 dx. Now a is equals to, that is x will become, integration of x will become x square by 2 minus 2x to 10 to 3. Next it is 10 square by 2 minus 2 into 10 minus lower limit. Wherever x is there, substitute it as 3. 3 square by 2 minus 2 into 3. So after solving this, it is 10 by 2 minus 20. And this side, it is minus, it is 9 by 2 minus 6. So here it is 50. So 50 minus 20 is 30, minus 2 into 6 is 12, 12 minus 9 is 3 by 2, which is, which is 30. So 2 into 30 is 60. 60 minus is 57. 57 by 2. Or you can say 30, and it is minus of minus. It will become plus because it is minus. So it will become plus. It is plus 1 by 3 by 2 means it is 1.5. That is 31.5. 31.5 is not the answer here. 31.5. 31.5 square units is, none of the answers are given here. So probably the options are might be wrong here. So you can write it down. Option D as 31.5 square units. Okay. Option D, we change the answer and mark it out 31.5. Because with respect to two method, when we tested, it is given only 31.5. So none of the options are right here. So make the D option as 31.5 square units. Next, question number 19. So here it is. The area of region bounded by the curve y is equals to x square and the line y is equals to 4 is what? Y is equals to x square and y is equals to 4. Just try to get the answer for this. 10 seconds for it. Just try to analyze. Condition is y is equals to x square. And the line is given with the y-axis, that is y is equals to 4. So let me start with the integration formula. That is area of A is given by the limit is from -2 to 2. How this -2 to 2 came? It is curve is given that y is equals to 4. So which means that area of integral of upper curve is because of positive value of y. So minus lower curve, that is y is equals to x square, because this is the lower curve, y is equals to x square over the interval of -2 to 2. Now it is integration of 4 minus x square into dx. 4 minus x square into dx. So 2 into integral of 0 to 2. 0 to 2, that is 4 minus x square dx. So now integrate and just evaluate this. That is a is equals to 2 into integration of 4 is 4x minus x square is x cube by 3 and upper limit and lower limit. So that is 2 into wherever x is there, that is upper limit minus lower limit. 4x, that is x is 2. 4x, x is 2 minus 2 cube by 3 minus 4 into 0, x into 0, everywhere it is 0, so minus 0. So now rest is 2 into 8 minus 2 cube is 8 by 3. 8 by 3. So which can be solved by 2 into, that is 3 into 8 is 24 minus 8 by 3. So 24 minus 8 is how much? It is 16. 16 by 3 into 2. So here it cannot be cancelled. So 16 into 2 is 32 by 3. 32 by 3 square unit is option C is the correct answer. Just try to solve this. Next question is, so next question is 20th. The area of region bounded by the curve y square is equals to 9x and the line x is equal to 1, x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 0 is in the first quadrant is what? So the lines are given, that is x is equals to 1, x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 0 are in the first quadrant is what? We need to find the area of the bounded region. So just try to solve this again. 10 seconds time for you. So y square is equals to 9x. Y square is equals to 9x. So y is equals to what? It is 3 root x. Don't Don't ever by mistakenly also do this like 3x, because square root of 9 is 3, but square root of x is square root of x only it is. So it is 3 root x. Now just step into the integral part. That is y is equals to 3 root x, from x is equals to 1 to x is equals to 4 will take. That is a is equals to integration of 1 to 4 3 root x dx is equals to 3 into integration of 1 to 4, that is 3 in 3 is outside, so root x is x raised to 1 by 2 dx. Now as we know that, use the just rule of the integration, that is x raised to n dx is equals to what? X raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. Already you know this rule. So use this, that is 3 into, that is x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1, it is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 from 4 to 1. So upper minus lower integrals, that is 3 into 2 by 3, 2 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2 from 4 to 1. So which can be written as 3 and 3 got cancelled. It is left with 2 into x raised to 3 by 2 from 4 to 1. Applying this limit, that is a is equals to, that is 2 into 4, because x you substitute as 4, 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 raised to 3 by 2. So it is 4 raised to 3 by 2. Its value is what? It is 2, 4 it can be written as 2 square, means 2 and 2 will get cancelled. It is 2 raised to 3. It is nothing but 8. Then it is 1 raised to 3 by 2, which is 1 only. So when we solve this, we are going to get, that is 1 raised to 3 by 2, that is a into 2 raised to 4 raised to 3 by 2 is, you know that it is 8, minus 1 raised to 3 by 2 is 1. So 2 into 8 minus 1, 7. That is nothing but 14. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, students, we'll go to the next point. So with this, we completed the differential integrals application or applications of integral. Now today we are going to start with a new topic, that is differential equations. So already you know that what is differential equations and all. So let me start directly with the first question. That is, in the order and degree of the differential, the order and degree of the differential equation, d square y by dx square plus dy by dx raised to 1 by 4 plus x raised to 1 by 5 is equals to 0 are respectively option A 2 and not defined, option B 2 and 2, option C 2 and 3, option D is 3 and 3, which means that 2 is the order and not defined is degree of the equation, differential equation, and 2 and 2 are both order and degree, and 2 and 3 is order and 3 is degree, 3 and 3 order is also and degree is also 3. So order and degree of the differential equations are what? If you know the answer, just try to comment this. Try to do it fast. Very easy. So what is the order and degree of the differential equations? So now, the highest order of the derivatives is what? Highest order. It is 2. 2 means what? It is nothing but the order. So order is 2, which is present in the option A, B, and C. Okay. So now, what about the degree? What is the degree of the given equation? Try to clear with the fraction by raising the power to the 4. By raising power to the 4, try to get the answer, degree of the equation. So now try to understand degree of the equation in the sense it is first try to raise the power by 4 and then 1. So d square y by dx square plus dy by dx raised to 1 by 4 plus x raised to 1 by 5, which is minus x raised to 1 by 5 it is. So, sorry, on shifting this by mistake I wrote. Just a minute, students. So it can be written as on shifting this x raised to 1 by 5 to other side, it will become minus x raised to 1 by 5. Rest all are same. Then, so d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square plus x raised to 1 by 5 is equals to minus dy by dx the raised to 1 by 4, which means that it is when it is raised the power by 4, x by 5 raised the power by 4, and when it is raised the power by 4, so it has become 4 and 4 got cancelled. So it is left with what? Dy by dx. So resulting still it is a contain a term of 1 by 5. This it is contain a term of 1 by 5. So every time you're raising the power by something, it is rest all the x term is contain the power of 1 by 5 or 1 by 7, like it is containing the odd power. So which means that finally it will not get defined by the degree of the differential equation. So which is option A is the correct answer, because order is 2 and degree is not defined. So option A is the correct. So go to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. Try to understand, students. Question number 2. Sorry. Go to the next question, students. That is the degree of differential equation d square y by dx square the whole raised to 2 by 3 minus 4 minus 3 into dy by dx is 0. What is the degree of the differential equation? Do it fast, students. So it is, just try to solve this. It is, it is just by observing this, we can assume that the power is in the fractional form. Okay. For the fraction form, we cannot able to find the degree of this easily. So what we can do is, it is d square, the same power, which is equals to 3 into dy by dx on transposing this to other side, and plus 4 will become minus 4. So which can be written as 3 into dy by dx minus 4, the whole raised to 3, raising the power to the 3. Why? Because by raising the power to the 3, this will become cancellation. It will become the whole square. Okay. It is only will become whole square. That is nothing but d square y by dx square, the whole square. Okay. So now, so by determining the order of degree, the degree is 2 now. The degree is 2. Why? Because you know that it is a degree is 2. When we raise the first power by 3, so we got the answer, that is degree is equals to 2. So option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Next. So next question is about the solution of e raised to dy by dx, which is equals to x plus 1, y of 0 is equals to 3. What is the solution of this? The solution of the equation, that is e raised to dy by dx is equals to x plus 1 at y if 0 is equals to 3 is what? Option A, option B, option C, option D are given. So here it is, option D is present. Option D. Okay, this option D is here. That is. Try to get the answer for this. 10 seconds time. If you couldn't get, I will solve. Don't worry. But at least you try. If you are having the answer, just comment it. Got the answer? Just comment it. Solution of this e raised to dy by dx, which is equal to x plus 1. So the initial condition with this, it is given that it is a y is equals to 3. So you can write y minus x minus 3. Y of 0 is 3, means y minus, if you shift it to the side, y minus x minus 3, which is equals to x plus 1 into, cannot write this, just a minute. This initial condition is given. So x plus 1 using this condition, dy by dx is equals to log of x plus 1 using this condition, which is equals to log of x plus 1. Now dy is equals to log of x plus 1 into dx. So now y is equals to integration of log of x plus 1 dx plus c. So, use this condition as y with use the integration by parts method. You will get that is u is equals u dv, which is equals to uv minus integral of u dv du for integration of log of x plus 1 dx. So when we resolve this, we are going to get integration of log of x plus 1 dx, which is equals to x log of x plus 1 minus integration of x into 1 by x plus 1 dx. So remaining integral, that is x upon x plus 1 dx, is equals to integration of x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 dx, which is equals to 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 dx, which is equals to x minus log of x plus 1 it is, because integration of 1 minus it is x minus log of x plus 1. So substitute back the value of y. Substituting this, we are going to get, just a minute, substituting the value of y, we are going to get this answer as y is equals to x log x log x plus 1 minus x log of x plus 1 plus constant. So y is equals to x log of x plus 1 minus x plus log of x plus log of x plus 1 plus c, which can be written as y is equals to x plus 1 log of x plus 1 minus x, because this minus is adjusted here, plus c. So which is as good as near to the c. Option, it is not at all matching still. 1 plus x, no, it is still, we need to substitute the value of c. Why? Because when y of 0 is equals to 3, y of 0, it is mentioned that here, y of 0 is equals to 3, which can be resolved as y is equals to 3 into 0 plus 1 log of 0 plus 1 minus 0 plus c. So which can be written as 3 is equals to 1 into log of 1 plus c. So where 3 is equals to 0, log of 1 is 0, 0 plus c, which is equals to 3 is equals to c. Okay, so the value of c is 3. Now, by substituting this value, I'll erase this for a minute, this part. By substituting this, we are going to get the value of, by substituting x is equals to 3, y is equals to x plus 1 log of x plus 1 minus x plus 3. So which means y plus x minus x is on transposing, it will become x minus 3 plus 3 will become minus 3, which is equals to x plus 1 into log of, again it is x plus 1. So y x minus 3, y plus x minus 3, x plus 1, x plus 1 log of x plus 1. It is option is existing. Option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. But the solution is got the extra steps here, but we need to solve with the some details, some because some don't have the shortcuts method. But we stick up with this. We'll come to know. Some are I explained with the, some writing, some work. You can even so when you are solving with a lot of practice, you can work out some problems with the orally also. Means some calculations, some steps you can skip with the help of oral method. Go to the next point. Question number 4. The solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equals to x plus y the whole square is what? The solution of dy by dx, which is equals to x plus y the whole square, is what? The options are tan inverse and so on. It is given. Just try to read it, and in 10 seconds I will give you. If you have the answer, just try to get the answer for this. So now next one is, it is it is dv by dx. You can consider, because you can write it as v is equals to x plus y. Differentiating v with respect to x, that is dv by dx is equals to d by dx of x plus d by dx of y. So d by dx of x is 1, and it is nothing but the dy by dx. So here dy by dx, if you keep it and transpose it one to other side, it will become dv by dx minus 1 is dy by dx. Okay. Now, so dv by dx is v square plus 1. So dv by dv by, that is dv by v square plus 1 is equals to dx. So integrate it, 1 by v square plus 1 dv is equals to integration of 1 dx. Okay, so which can be written as 1 by integral of v square plus a square standard is 1 by a into tan inverse of v by. So here you can treat a is equals to 1. So tan of tan inverse of v is equals to, which is x plus c. Replacing v with x plus y, what will happen? Let me check. Replacing v by xy, that is tan inverse of v by xy, tan x v by xy, v wherever v is there, substitute it as x plus y, which is equals to x plus c. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. So next, This next one now. Question number 5. Try to solve this. If y of x be the solution of the differential equation x log x into dy by dx plus y is equals to 2 into x log x at y of e is equals to what? Just try to analyze the question. This question is a bit confusion. That is, if y of x be the solution of the differential, already y of x will be the solution of equation of x log x dy by dx plus y is 2x into log x. At that time, y of e is what? Again, 1 minute time for you. So shall we start? It can be written as dy. As we all know that the standard form of the first order of a differential equation is what? Dy by dx plus p of x is equals to q of x. P of xy is q of x. So divide the equation by x log x. So what dividing the equation by x log x? Let me try to understand what we are going to get, which is 1 by x log of x, which is equals to x log x into y is equals to 2. That is p of x is equals to 1 by x log of x. P of x is equals to x log of x, where p of x is what? It is given value is for q of x also. Q of x is 2. Okay. So integral factor what it will use, let me try to understand this. That is p of x dx is equals to integration of 1 by x log of x dx. So you treat u is equals to, substitute u is equals to log of x, and so du will become what? Which implies du will become 1 by x dx, differentiation of u, 1 by x dx, which is integration of 1 by u du is equals to log of mod of u into is equals to log of mod of u is what? It is log of x. Why? Because u is equals to log x. Already you wrote. So u is equals to log of mod of log x. So integral factor what it will become? It will become e raised to integration of p of x dx, which is equals to e raised to log of p of x is log of log x, because mod of log x is log x. So which is e raised to anything is, that is log x. So when we assume x is greater than 1 for x is greater than equal to 0. So combining this equation, what we are going to get, that is x of 2 log x. That is when we get the equation as 2 here, that is y of integral factor of q of x into integration factor of dx plus c. So where it is 2 plus log x. So where it is 2 plus e raised to x is 1. Log of x is 2 raised to 1 is 1. So that is 2. The final answer is going to be option C. That is 2. Y of e is 2. We'll go to the next question. The sum of degree and order of differential. The sum of the degree and order of the differential equation 1 plus y1 raised to 2, the whole raised to 2 by 3, which is equals to y2 is what? Okay. So we need to find the sum and order of the differential equation. So the equation is given over here. Then translate it to, what is that? 1 plus y1 square, in the sense it can be written as dy by dx the whole square, the whole raised to 2 by 3. And y2 means what? It is second order difference. So that is d square y by dx square. So here clearly shows that order is 2. So order is equals to 2. So next one is to find the degree. Let me try to find the degree. It is nothing but 1 plus, okay, 1 plus, the equation is y raised y1 square raised to 2 by 3, which is equals to y2, raising the power by 3 on both sides. Raise power by 3. What we are going to get? So the whole raised to 3, this whole raised to 3. So let me try to understand this. Whole raised to 3 in the sense what it is? It is 1 plus y1 square, that is 2 by 3 into 3, where 3 and 3 got cancelled. Here it is left with 2, and this side it is y2 3. So y2 has highest power of 3. So the degree is what? Degree is equals to 3. So they are asking the sum of, they are asking the sum of order and degree. Order and degree in the sense it is 2 plus degree is 3. That is 2 plus 3 is 5. So the option C is the correct answer. Okay, option C is the correct answer. So students, with this we'll wind up today's class here, and we'll continue the next part in the tomorrow session. Till that, keep on practicing the sums and take care.